In Canada, the term home takeover does not specifically exist as a distinct criminal offense in the criminal code or other legislation. However, certain actions or behaviors that may be associated with the concept of a home takeover can fall under existing criminal offenses. It is important to understand the specific actions or elements involved to determine the applicable criminal offenses. Here is a general overview. Break and enter. If someone unlawfully enters a dwelling without permission, this can constitute the offense of break and enter, which is a criminal offense under Section 348 of the Criminal Code. The intent behind the entry, such as occupying the dwelling without authorization, can influence the severity of the charges. Trespassing. If an individual enters or remains unlawfully on someone else's property without permission, it may be considered trespassing. Trespassing laws vary by jurisdiction, but generally, the act of remaining on someone's property without authorization can be a criminal offense or a provincial/territorial offense. Unlawful confinement. If someone intentionally and unlawfully confines another person within a dwelling without their consent, it may constitute the offense of unlawful confinement. This offense involves depriving someone of their liberty against their will and can be charged under Section 279 of the Criminal Code. Assault or threats. If force or threats of violence are used to intimidate or harm individuals within a dwelling, it can result in charges of assault or uttering threats under Sections 265 and 264.1 of the Criminal Code, respectively. The concept of home takeover typically refers to criminal activities where individuals unlawfully enter a person's residence with the intention of committing various offenses, such as robbery, assault, or other serious crimes. The term can be used to describe situations where perpetrators take control or assert dominance over a home, often involving threats, violence, or intimidation towards the occupants. The objective of a home takeover is typically to gain control over the premises and exploit the occupants for criminal purposes. In a home takeover scenario, the perpetrators may employ various tactics, such as forced entry, coercion, or intimidation, to establish control over the property and its occupants. This can involve actions such as barricading the premises, restricting the movement of the occupants, or using violence to assert dominance and instill fear. Home takeovers are considered highly invasive and dangerous situations that jeopardize the safety, security, and well-being of the occupants. They can have severe psychological, emotional, and physical impacts on the individuals involved. It is important to consult with a legal professional who can provide specific advice based on the facts and circumstances of a particular situation. They can assess the applicable criminal offenses and provide guidance on the legal options and potential defenses available to individuals affected by such actions. Thank you for watching Everyday Crime and Law. See you next time.